That sudden bone-jarring thud when your transmission shifts gears is not just a nuisance. It is a desperate cry for help from your car's brain, often signaling a code P2830. This code specifically points to a high-voltage condition in the Pressure Control Solenoid K circuit. And while it sounds complicated, it is all about how your transmission manages fluid pressure. There are bands and clutches that need exactly the right amount of hydraulic pressure at the exact right millisecond to give you that buttery smooth shift we all love. Modern transmissions are packed with these solenoids, labeled from A all the way through K and beyond, and they act like traffic cops directing fluid into different passages. When the powertrain control module detects that the K solenoid circuit has hit a high voltage spike, it can no longer control. It gets worried and might even throw the car into limp mode to protect itself. You will definitely feel this one because your fuel mileage will take a hit. The transmission might overheat, or it might feel like the car is slamming into gear, like it is being rear-ended. The very first thing you should do is check your transmission fluid level and look at its color and smell. If it looks like burnt coffee or is full of metallic glitter, you are looking at a much bigger internal problem. Before you start tearing things apart, always look up the technical service bulletins for your specific year and model, because sometimes the manufacturer has already released a software fix or a known repair path that can save you hours of guessing. If the fluid is clean, you will need a digital multimeter to check for continuity. If you see high resistance or no continuity at all, you have a broken or shorted wire that needs to be fixed. It could be a simple corroded connector or a damaged pin at the transmission plug. But if the wiring and fluid are perfect, the solenoid itself or the valve body might be the culprit. Just remember that catching this early is key, because letting a transmission bang into gear for too long can turn a simple solenoid swap into a full-blown transmission rebuild, which is a headache nobody wants.